Setting up the V Planner. When you first open the V Planner, you will be at this worksheet that is named About. It outlines some of the features of the V Planner and the 5 steps in setting it up. Step 1, go to Data and fill in as much as you know. Fill in at least the top 31 rows. And here are the top 31 rows. Fill in this information, answer these questions. We have 9 classes, and this row names the calendar on the planners. To get back to the About page, go to Today and find it in the list of links. Step 2, go to Days and X all the school days. You'll see that a lot of them are already X'd. You might have to change this, and you can easily change it by backspacing or typing X. If you have school on Saturdays, just type them in. This yellow part highlights the weekends. Back to the Today sheet. Step 3, go to Terms and enter the grading terms. This is the terms sheet. You can have up to 6 terms. Each term is for a certain grade calculator. Term 1, Term 2. Terms are already numbered, however you might need to change them. And if you want to change everything, just select the column, right click and choose Clear Contents. And then you would add, you can type, you don't have to use the drop down. Just type the numbers. You have to type them all. Term 1 would be the first grading period. Term 2 would be the second grading period. If you have 6 grading periods, you'll have to use all numbers 1 through 6. Currently the way it's set up with 4 grading periods, which is the same thing as quarterly. And those would be set up just by doing this. An easier way to do this is just to change this part. If you wanted your first term to end, instead of where I have it set, you could have it end here, for example, and then change the other beginning and ending dates. For instance, you would want the numbers to go all the way into the last day of school. If you like how 1 is set up, you can choose to copy it and you can paste. However, as you can see, this turned orange. When you paste, be sure to select Match Destination Formatting. And now this one is set up just like this one. We're going back to Today worksheet to get the link to About. Step 4 is to set up the lesson plans. This planner already has some sample plans, and we're just going to look at them. You put the first plan in the top cell, which is B6 in this planner, and then you just enter the plans one right after another. You do not have to skip spaces, just one right after another. And finally, the last step is to set up the grade calculators, and those are also on the S sheets. And to set those up, you enter the percentages, the title for each grade section, and that sets them up. We'll set one up for this. It's set up. And that is how to set up the V Planner.